What's up guys, this is Roger here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my new Surewo surface waterproof carrying case for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. This I got on Amazon for about $22. I believe at the time of me filming this video it's now 20 bucks with a 5% coupon discount code on Amazon, so it's an even sweeter deal. The GoPro Hero 8 is expensive, so I wanted to make sure I had something to protect it while I'm not using it, and also if I'm on the go, to carry it around and be a peace of mind that it won't get damaged. And this is not that expensive, so I didn't break the piggy bank getting this. This is it's like a hard outer shell, and it has a carbon fiber-esque look to it. It's got a rubberized handle here, and it's not too big. It's pretty cool. So let's open this up, see what we have. So right upon opening, in the top here you have mesh, like a netted storage compartment. And the bottom here you have the hard foam that various inserts that you can pop out like so. And this one I believe is for the camera, and there's another plastic foam insert tab that it can pop out if you had the waterproof case on the GoPro Hero 8 Black, or any of them, because I believe this can fit all the cameras, 5 all the way up to the current one, 9. So that's cool. You can just take that out, because when you have it in a plastic waterproof case, it's going to add some bulk to it, and you know, this is still some play in it, a lot of room. This compartment here, so let me just take this whole foam out, and then you take this compartment out, and this is for the battery charger. And you have these 3 slots right here, which will be for the actual battery for the Hero 8 Black. So you have 3 slots for batteries, and you have, and there's 3 slots right here that you can put a micro SD card in, and this one pops out, and is, I believe this, if you had the SD card adapter or reader card that you can put the micro in to make it a SD card size. This top compartment here, these foam come out, and you can put, if you have a tripod or a selfie stick or whatever for it. So I'll put this back in, and I'll get these excess foam out of the way. Might need some of those later. I'll put the camera in, like I showed you before, but there's a lot of play in it, a lot of room. I'll probably put another piece of foam in there that I took out from somewhere else. I'll put one of these to take up this slack, and stuff. Let's see, can I put another piece in? Let's put it on the bottom maybe. Yeah. Here, let's leave it right on the top, right in the middle. Alright, that's cool. Now it doesn't move as much. Next we have the dual battery charger. I'll put that in there like so. And the 2 batteries I'll put in. And there's still room. It's not super snug, so I mean, this is not by GoPro, so I guess if you buy it, it'll be exact, precise, perfect fit in there. So that, and put the selfie stick / tripod in there, and if it's a longer one, of course you have extra room, so that's cool. Let's see, this I can put it right here. It's one of the adapter pieces. Keep going. And got various cables and such. I can put that in this compartment right here. And I think I can shove this head harness in the top part. Let's see if it'll fit. It should. Yeah. Extra room there. Okay, so those are all the accessories, including the camera. And then if I wanted to, well, there's no instructions, but the booklets, if I wanted to, I could probably put that in here as well. But no need. And that's pretty much it. Just close this up. Let's see. Okay. Everything in a nice, neat little compact storage case, carry case, you know. And a little shock resistant and waterproof. So again, you want to protect your investment. And these little cameras are not cheap. So I like it. And it has room for me to grow if I get other accessories, which I probably will, for this camera. And I have extra space to put all the stuff in there. So that's pretty cool. And it was, like I said, not too expensive. So there you have it. So that'll bring this video to a close. If you found some use from this video, smash that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And also hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. And I will see everyone in the next video. Peace.